Here's a question. How many of you have already given up on your New Year's resolution? It's an interesting question to think about, you know? How many people already thought they were going to fail and have already moved on? See, yesterday I said that I was going to do no sugar, no caffeine, right? Whatever. And today we were at a restaurant, we ate lunch, Mexican joint, and I was offered a peppermint after as kind of a palate cleanser. And what I took it. Without thinking, I just took it and I ate it and I enjoyed it. See, a lot of the issues we run into with these extreme lifestyle changes are because they're so extreme. What we need to do is have these changes and implement them in smaller portions. So rather than going cold turkey on something, which is possible and it's great when you can, but sometimes you just need to be a little more gracious with yourself. Now, all my videos this year, don't worry, they're not all going to be about New Year's resolutions. To be fair, it's only the 2nd of January this year, and I thought I would just do a couple because I think it's interesting looking at how people view New Year's resolutions and how quickly they are overlooked, and just how quickly everything happens, how quick we are to not be forgiving to ourselves, and how quickly we assume failure rather than giving ourselves a chance to do well. So I just think that's something interesting to consider. So yeah, didn't end up vlogging today. Oh well. We ended up installing the screen in my dad's truck. Go look at my Instagram if you want to see kind of how that ended up looking. We got the screen from Join. It looked really good. But yeah, I'm gonna try and actually do some vlogging tomorrow. We'll see. I have my phone obviously, and I think I have a GoPro with me somewhere. Yeah, I think it's over there on that shelf. If I don't, I mean, the phone's good enough. iPhones are crazy. I talked about this in a previous video, but the act of doing kind of goes into the whole concept I was talking about yesterday about taking a picture every day. It's this idea that just by doing it, sure, you're getting in a habit, which is good, but you're also slowly ingraining these little micro skills, I like to call them, which slowly build into an actual skill. So I'm gonna nerd out a little bit here. You know how with storage we have megabytes, gigabytes, well, bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, etc. Kind of same idea. If you have 37 micro skills, they might correlate to 3 normal skills or whatever, right? And I think it's something really cool to look at and see how these skills grow, because we may not necessarily, it's kind of like compounding interest in knowledge. We may not necessarily instantly see this growth and in understanding, but what we do see is we see this slow progression, and that's something to look for and keep an eye out on. So having these micro skills, learning something new, and it doesn't have to be extreme, of course, but it's just interesting looking at a new year, what we can learn and what we can pursue to better ourselves or the world around us, be it our neighborhood, our family, our culture, our church, our school, whatever it is. Taking the time to see, hey, how can I make this a little bit better, and building on skills as we grow in them. So yeah, that's just something to kind of look forward this year, is just looking at the micro skills that you're growing, looking at what you can grow, what you can learn that might be beneficial down the road. It doesn't have to be now. Yeah, I know this was more of a pep talk video, less of a vlog, like I said, but tomorrow I'll try and actually do some more filming. Yes, my tea this morning was good. I ended up having tea again for dinner, It was really good. It was really nice. Not really a big tea drinker personally, but I think having this time forcing me to drink tea, enjoy tea, I think it'll be really good. Very refreshing. Yeah, but I'm going to cut it here and then edit it and get it uploaded hopefully before midnight. It's only 10:23, so it should be uploaded in time tonight. So I will catch you guys tomorrow morning. and hopefully I'll be a little more active. I should be. I'm actually having an alarm set and all that. Yeah, so I will see you guys tomorrow, which is really weird to say to a camera. I haven't said that in a long time.